Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Cash App account from business to personal. Let's get started. Open your Cash App and make sure you're logged into your business account. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. From the menu that appears, select the first tab, which should be labeled Personal. Scroll down to the bottom of this section where you'll find an option to switch to a personal account. Unlike switching from personal to business, which you can do instantly, changing from business back to personal requires contacting Cash App support directly. You'll see a message explaining that you need to contact their support team for help with this change if you're no longer selling goods, services, or collecting donations. Tap on Contact Support to begin the process. Select the Chat option to connect with a support representative. You'll need to clearly explain that you want to change your account type from business to personal. The support team will guide you through any necessary steps and verify your information before making the change. This process typically requires manual review, so it may take some time to complete. Be prepared to answer questions about why you're switching account types and confirm your identity. Once support processes your request, they'll convert your account back to a personal account, and you'll receive confirmation of the change. Remember that switching to a personal account may affect your transaction history and some features, so it's important to download any business records you need before making the change. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.